have two legs of pig, so I will have a yummy food today. So I will take it to cook. Wow, it's so amazing food today. I have two legs of pig, so I will take it to cook. But first we do like this to reduce the hair of leg of pig like this. We clean it first. Hello again guys. Yes, today I have a new recipe again to show you guys. Here is some ingredient and green vegetable and also two legs of pigs too. Today we will show you guys about how to make soup, and especially it is a yummy food too. So about green vegetable and also some ingredient of it, I'm going to show you step by step when we start to cook. So but altogether, please help me to subscribe my channel if you think my channel have necessary to you. So let me show you guys about how to cook it. It's really difficult to cut it. So now we start to cook. So when we boil like this, we start to add some ingredient to reduce the dirty of our leg of pig. So this cassava, lemongrass, garlic, and also kalanga. We add some salt on it. This is salt. And some cheese. We also add soup salt to make our food more delicious. Add some sugar. chili, we clean our vegetable. This is our green onion. We cut it like this. After we boil it 30 minutes ago, so we put our papaya. Because of our papaya is difficult to cook, so we put it first. We add papaya like this. Then carrot. Wow. We add garlic and also water cornflakes. And we merge it. So we add some green onion on it like this to be more delicious. And then lemon. It looks like so yummy, everybody, so I cannot wait to eat it. It's so good, just in waters, but it tastes so good. So this we call soup of leg of beach, everyone. It's so yummy. This papaya. It's really hot. but really yummy. This virus confirm fullness. The best taste you can try it everyone. So now I think it is time to say goodbye because of the sky is nearly to be dark. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube if you think my channel are necessary to you. So now let me say goodbye everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe. Goodbye.